Exercise can help you control your weight, enhance your mental function, and lower your risk of chronic disease. In this video, we will share critical information on what you need to know before you start an exercise habit and some common types of exercise you can try. Before you get started, number 1, examine your health. Before beginning an exercise routine, see your healthcare physician and have a medical assessment. This is especially crucial for those who are new to physically demanding pursuits. An early checkup can discover any health issues or diseases that may put you at risk of injury while exercising. It can also assist you in optimizing your workout by allowing you and your personal trainer, if you want to engage with one, to better understand your limitations and build an exercise plan that is suited to your specific needs. Number 2, make a strategy and set attainable targets. Once you've decided to start exercising regularly, make a strategy that contains specific stages and objectives. One approach to do this is to start with a simple step-by-step strategy. Then, as your fitness level improves, you can continue to add to it. Starting with simple, attainable goals will boost your chances of success while also keeping you motivated. Number 3, make it a routine. Another important aspect of exercise success is sticking to a regimen. People appear to find it simpler to stick to a fitness regimen in the long run if they make it a habit and perform it on a regular basis. Making a timetable or exercising at the same time every day are also effective techniques to maintain and extend your routine. Now we come to some of the common types of exercise you might want to consider. Aerobic exercise. Any fitness regimen should have some type of continual activity at its core. Swimming, running, and dancing are the best examples of aerobic exercises. Strength exercise. These workouts aid in the development of muscle power and strength. Resistance training, plyometrics, weightlifting, and sprinting are good examples of these exercises. Calisthenics. These exercises are usually done without the use of gym equipment and involve big muscle groups. They are completed at a moderate aerobic speed. Lunges, sit-ups, push-ups, and pull-ups are examples of these. High-intensity interval training. These are short bursts of high-intensity exercise followed by low-intensity workouts or rest intervals in the form of exercise. Stability or balance exercise. These workouts are intended to develop muscle strength and coordination. Pilates, Tai Chi, and core strengthening workouts are examples of these. Flexibility exercise. These workouts aid muscle healing, range of motion maintenance, and injury prevention. You can try out yoga or specific muscle stretching exercises to practice these.